Welcome to our check-in credit card processing demonstration video. My name is Brandy Whitaker and I am the General Manager of Innsoft Incorporated. This video is a brief demonstration of the credit card processing interface for check-in. For more detailed information about the feature and report options, or to set up a free demo, please give Innsoft a call at 1-800-950-8995. You can also visit us online at www.innsoft.com. Check-in is PADSS certified, and the main page of our website contains our PADSS certification information. The credit card processing interface for check-in offers many benefits for your business. Integrating credit card processing with your property management system eliminates the need to buy or lease a separate credit card terminal. This will keep your staff from needing to reconcile different systems, saving a great deal of time and money from lost transactions. You will not need a dedicated phone line, and processing speeds will be much faster because we use your high-speed wired internet connection. We fully support our processing interface, so if you have any questions, both Innsoft and your processor will be available to help. Your credit card receipt will be included with the folio, which provides for a more professional appearance. During this video, I will demonstrate how to charge the card during guest checkout, enter an advance deposit when creating a reservation, pre-authorize a card during guest check-in, and submit a credit card batch. Credit card charges can also be submitted from the standalone cash register for guests that are not checked in and in accounts receivable, but I will not be covering those options in this tutorial. There are additional reports, optional settings, and features available. And if you have our direct-in booking engine, you can integrate processing so that advance deposits are automatically charged when a reservation is created on your website. Contact Innsoft for more information about these options. We're going to begin with charging a guest credit card during checkout. From the main menu of check-in, click Guest Checkout. Double-click on the guest you would like to check out. We are now on the guest checkout cash register. The balance at the top of the screen is from the combined room rental and miscellaneous charges. You can add incidental charges using the function buttons on the left. For more details about the cash register, please view our video titled How to Check In and Out a Guest Using Check-In. Notice the Authorize Card button on the right. We will be coming back to this option later. For now, notice the balance at the bottom of the screen. In the Amount field, type in the amount you would like to charge the customer. Click Select Payment Type and choose Credit Card Sale from the drop-down menu. Click Done. Now you will see that our customer is at a zero balance and we can continue the checkout process. Click Continue. If the credit card information was previously entered, then it will automatically populate here. In this case, let's go ahead and swipe the card. And click Done. At this point, we will use your high-speed wired internet connection to send your merchant information to your credit card processor. You should then receive a 6-digit response approval code. Clicking OK sends the folio to your printer. Here's a sample folio. The folio includes a breakdown of charges and payments as well as the credit card sales draft. The checkout statement, signature agreement, and folio statement are customizable. You will have the guest sign one copy and keep it for your records. The other copy is the guest receipt. This completes the process to charge a guest credit card during checkout. Now we're going to walk through how to enter an advance deposit for a reservation. Back at the main menu, click on Reservations. To find the reservation I want to add a deposit to, I can either locate it through the reservation grid, or click the Search Reservations button. However, in this case, I'm going to find the reservation by double-clicking on the date of arrival. In the Reservation Room Selection screen, select the applicable reservation and click Continue. Here you will notice all of the guest and rate information. To continue, click on Enter Deposit. In the Amount field, type the total you would like to charge for the advance deposit. Select credit card sale as the payment type, and click Done. Now we can go ahead and click Continue. On the next screen, you will see the amount you entered to be charged, credit card number, and expiration date. Click Done. On the credit card verification screen, enter the customer's CVV, or if you do not have the CVV, choose the applicable box, then click Done. A receipt of the transaction will be sent to the printer. You'll see now at the bottom left of the reservation screen that there is a dollar icon indicating that there is an advance deposit on this reservation. By mousing over the icon, you will see the amount of the deposit. This completes the advance deposit process. Now we're going to walk through how to pre-authorize a credit card while checking a guest in. Pre-authorizing a credit card is different from authorizing a card. Authorizing a card refers to the process of charging the card and immediately entering the charge into the batch. Pre-authorizing a credit card refers to capturing funds from the customer's account for the purpose of completing the charge at a later date. For more information about the differences between credit card authorization versus pre-authorization, please give Innsoft support a call. From the main menu, click on Guest Check-in. In this case, there is not a reservation, so we will click No. Double-click on the room you would like to check the guest into. If the guest has stayed at the hotel before, we can use the quick guest search. I found the customer, so I will select him and click Done. The guest information is populated from guest history, such as name, address, phone number, etc. Go ahead and click into the rate field and select the rate type. The credit card information may populate from guest history, however we highly recommend swiping the credit card. I'm going to swipe the card, then click Continue. To continue with the pre-authorization, click Authorize Card. Enter the amount you would like to pre-authorize the card for, then click Done. You will receive a 6-digit approval code. This approval code is TAS209. We will see this again later. Click OK. You can now click Continue. A folio will print out that the customer can sign. Now we're going to use this pre-authorization to check the guest out and complete the sale. From the main menu, click Guest Checkout. Choose our guest and click Continue. In the cash register screen, you will see on the right that the card has been pre-authorized, and in this case, the total matches the customer's balance. In the Amount field, type the total to be charged and select Credit Card Sale from the drop-down. Click Continue. Now that we are charging the card, Check-in will use the existing pre-authorization and place the transaction into the batch. So in other words, the customer will not be authorized or charged twice. Notice here that the 6-digit approval code matches the pre-authorization we received previously. Click OK and a copy of the sales receipt will be sent to the printer. We've now just finished the process of guest check-in, pre-authorization, checkout, and we completed the credit card sale. Now we're going to cover how to submit the credit card batch. The credit card batch is all of the credit card authorizations submitted through check-in during the business day. This list also will contain transactions submitted through DirectIn if you have the booking engine with this feature enabled. Submitting the batch will send this data to your processor and will clear the batch in preparation for the next business day. Submitting the batch is critical to receiving funds for all of the credit card sales you complete. The batch should be submitted daily. Back at the main menu, click Audit, then click Credit Card Processing. Here you will see a list of all the credit card transactions submitted since the last batch. There are several options available on the credit card batch screen. The batch totals will be a summary. For a detailed report, you can use Print Batch. To view past batches and the authorization log, click History Report. You can also authorize, modify, and delete transactions through the batch. However, this is for admin use only. We highly recommend giving Innsoft support a call before utilizing these buttons. Submitting the daily batch is very quick and easy. Just click Submit Batch and click Yes. The batch will send to the bank. The final batch report will then display. This contains a list of the transactions and batch totals. We suggest printing a copy and saving for your records. That completes the batch submission process. This concludes our credit card processing demonstration video. The system is designed to be easy to use and simple to learn. We've covered many, but not all, of the different features of the credit card processing interface for check-in. If you have questions regarding functionality, or would like to set up a free demo of the credit card interface at your property, give us a call at 1-800-950-8995 or visit us online at www.innsoft.com.